Hi, my name's Tyler McFadden. I direct the Environmental Sciences program here at Oregon State University. Now, our goal in the Environmental Sciences major is to give you the skills you need to have a career where you are advancing solutions to some of our biggest environmental and societal challenges. Things like climate change, biodiversity loss, pollution, environmental injustices, you name it. This is a broad interdisciplinary degree, meaning you get to take courses all around campus in the biological, the physical, the social sciences.
I really feel like I've found a home on campus and a community that I can rely on. I just felt like I was getting the best of all the worlds because it just incorporates so many different aspects of what is offered here at OSU. We have amazing faculty-led programs where we got to learn about field methods and other surveying techniques, survey habitats, and we were able to get hands-on experience like out in the field.
I like to think about environmental scientists as the connectors, the people who can go into a room, they can talk with the biologists, the engineers, the hydrologists, the climate scientists, the policymakers, and they can synthesize all this knowledge, all these connections, and they can bring it together to drive real-world solutions to big problems.
I did the Transboundary Water Conflict Mediation program, and through that I was introduced to a lot of new concepts. I was actually put in a workshop with a lot of graduate students, and it introduced me to a different style of class than I had been used to, a lot more collaborative. I would say the most impactful course I've taken at Oregon State was the Salmon Coast Research class. We went up to Vancouver Island and we got to meet with forestry professionals, restoration specialists, and a lot of other professionals in the field. There was a lot of hands-on applications in this opportunity, which I thought was really amazing, and that's something that CIS really excels at.
You also get to develop some concrete skills that are going to prepare you for jobs. Every student is going to take an introductory field course where you get to try out some of these different sub-disciplines of environmental scientists. You develop that broad expertise. Every student is going to do a 27-credit specialization where they get to dive into an area of their own interest. Lastly, every student completes an internship or other hands-on opportunity. We have a really incredible research enterprise here in CIOs. So we have students who are maybe working in a lab on campus, maybe doing scuba surveys in marine protected areas out in the Oregon coast, maybe they're hiking in deep into the Cascades and doing snow surveys, managing water resources. We have students doing all sorts of things. So where are you going to go? What are you going to do? We need more people like you who understand the earth, who are curious about the natural world, and who are willing to dig in and put their heads down to do the hard work we need to come up with solutions to these big global challenges. Looking forward to hearing from you.